Do you want to stand out from the crowd and be recognized as a high caliber professional by prospect employers? Are you ready to invest in your career by choosing a program from one of India's most prestigious business schools? Hi, my name is Suchit Majumdar. I'm the co-founder and CPO at INSAIL. I'm thrilled to announce that we have partnered with XLRI for the Executive Program in Product Management, a program that's specifically designed for professionals just like you who are looking to upskill themselves and gain a competitive edge in the industry. This program is designed for a 5-month full-packed information-driven course run by some of the top faculties at XLRI. And before I tell you more about the program and its benefits, let me highlight who can benefit from this program. This program is ideal for you if you want to test the waters in product management and learn the basics. If your goal is to understand and experience, master the fundamentals of product management, and committing to a full-time program, this course is perfect for you. Let me share you top 3 reasons why you should enroll in the XLRI's Executive Program in Product Management. First one being, this program provides you with a strong foundation in product management. Product management is a huge area, it's a pretty vast area, and mastering the skills is extremely essential for you to develop the mindset and skill sets required to succeed in this field. This program covers all the basics of product management, such as introduction to product management, product strategy, road mapping, product design thinking, among a few other points that we are also going to deliver in this course. Now, the second most important and vital point would be the program is designed, developed and taught by some of the best and top product managers in the industry. You'll learn from experts who have first-hand experience working in top-notch companies such as Amazon, Adobe, PayPal, and many more. And the third most important point about this particular program is that it provides you with that flexibility to go deeper into product management beyond the basics. If you want to continue learning after the 5-month program, you have the opportunity to upgrade and pursue advanced topics such as UI UX for PM, product engineering, product marketing, launch, and many more. I believe XLRI's Executive Program in Product Management will revolutionize your career in ways you never imagined. I invite you to join this program, talk to your learning advisor, and find out how this program can transform your career. Thank you.